The second parallel line says parallel line to a given line. That means draw a parallel line to a given line. That means a line will be provided. You now draw what? A parallel line. So a parallel line to a given line at a fixed distance, at a fixed point outside what the line. Are we there?
Yes.
So that means I'm going to spot what a point that is outside the given what? Given line. Are we there? Now look at what I mean. Now this simply tells us how to close the quadrilateral. Are you there? Either a parallelogram, either a trapezium, either a rectangle, either a square, as the case may be. Okay? Now this second one helps us to do what? To close the shape. So if it is open, what do? You use the parallel to do what? To close the shape. Okay? Alright, now look at what I mean. I'll give you an example. Now look at this line. I have this line this way. Alright, so I have this line this way, and I have another one this way. Watch. But pay attention, please. Okay. Now, I can call you to be, let's say, A, B, and what? C. Now, this is an incomplete parallelogram, right?
Yes.
So I needed this and what? This to close it, right? And remember, two of them must be of equal size. Are we following? Equal size. Now, look at what I'm going to do. Okay, watch. Now, look at the point there we're talking about. Okay? Look at this one we're talking about. Parallel line to a given line. That means I'm going to draw a parallel line to what? To what? A given line what? BC. Okay? Alright. At a fixed point outside the what? The line. At a fixed point. Outside what? The line. Okay. Now look at what I'm going to do. I will measure here. Watch. What I'm going to do. Remember, I want to close here and do what? Close what? Here. Okay? Watch. I want this side to appear here. Right? I also want this side to appear here. Now watch. I will place my compass here. I turn it to one to that point. Okay? Now watch. I've measured it, right? Then pull it out. Place it here. So that I will produce a line like this. Okay? I'll do what? I'll make an arc. With it. Then, remaining one, the second half. I needed this one to appear here, right?
Yes.
I'll place it here. Extend to this point. This it.
Yes.
Pull it out. Place it here. I'll close and join. It will be on the same size. Okay? Alright, watch. Now I'll close.
Ramda.
You see that?
Yes.
I'll hit the other ones and come down here. I'm going to this point. You see it on the same side. Hello? On the same side.
Yes.
So I've closed what? The parallelogram. So meaning that here, referring to what is here. Are you there? Now y here is also what? Parallel to what is here. You see how I close this shape?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay. Let me run this again. Okay? Let's do it again together. Okay? Watch. Measure here. Watch. From here. Okay? Watch. This is it. Measure this side. Okay? When you measure this side, watch. Everybody pay attention, please. When you measure this side, just know that when you measure here, you place it here. When you measure here, you place it here. So if I measure here, what end is free? Here is free,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So once I measure here is free. I'll place it to that free end and do what? And make an arc. Do you see it?
Yes.
Now, come and measure here. You see it now?
Yes.
I'll measure what's here. Which point is free? Here is not free, right?
Yes.
I'll pull it out, place it and do what?
Make an arc.
And place it. It will form the shape. Why make sense?
Yes.
Very good.
Done. Here we can employ the use of what? Parallel what? Lines. Okay? Use of parallel lines. And the question says, using the plan, the pair of compass only construct a parallelogram A, B, C, D with side what? Side AB equal to what? 9 here. And side AB 7 here. And the angle BAD equal to what? 60 degrees. Are we there? Now, and I told that I prefer selecting the side whose alphabetical arrangement corresponds with what? With the angle. Okay? I have AB here, I have BA here, but I have 80 here, I have what 80 here, so I prefer going with what 80. So I've been doing this before, but I want to go against that choice. Let me try what AB. Okay? Let me try what AB. You can use any of the sides, your choice. So let's go with AB, which measures what? 9 here. Okay? So I will draw any line of my choice, no measurement. Okay? And look at this line with no measurement. So I have this line with no measurement. And this is my 9 here. My 9 here has been measured. Okay? It has been what? Measured. So let's move. So I'll place it here and do what? And make an arc. Place it here and do what?
Make an arc.
Make an arc. Okay? And I'll call it what? AB. So here is A. Here is what? A. And it measures what? 9 here. Okay? So the next thing is what? Is to draw the angle. Angle 60 degrees. At where? At A. Do you see there?
Yeah.
At A. So I'll make what? I'll draw a semicircle. I hope you know.
Yeah.
So I'm talking about what? Draw what? A semicircle. So I have a semicircle this way. With it, I won't change the radius. I'll use the radius the way it is. Okay? Place it here. Place it here, do what? And cut this arc. Okay? And cut this arc. Are you following?
Yes.
Yes.
Cut what? This arc here. Alright, so, and I'll draw a straight line. I'll draw a straight line. Okay? Alright, I'll draw a straight line. So I've gotten this. Now, what next? What next?
I measure 7
So, here is my 60 degrees. Okay? 60 degrees.
Degrees.
60 degrees. Okay?
Yes.
Now, next thing is going to measure what?
7 here.
So let me measure my 7s here. Alright, so and this is what you see.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, so this become my house.
C.
C.
So here is parallel to what is here.
Yeah.
Why here is parallel to what is here. So these are to build the properties of what? Parallel. We say that the opposite sides are what? Equal and parallel. And why the opposite angle are also what? Equal. Are you there? So what is here is equal to what is here. So the next thing says, the next one says, locus of the point. A B stand from where?
A and B.
A and B. What does it stand for?
Bisector.
Perpendicular what?
Bisector.
So I have to bisect the line with AB. Are you there? The line AB. And look at like AB here. Okay? So how do I bisect it to three more parts? First of all, you get the center, right?
Yes.
Then what do? You move away from the extend. Move away from the center. Okay? What do? You make an arc. Come down, make what? An arc. Then place it here. Do what?
Make an arc.
Make an arc. Then come down here, do what?
Make an arc.
Make an arc. So I've gotten the two arcs. So what do? I'll connect two of them, right? Yes, connect two of them. Okay, connect two of them. Alright, so look at it. So here you got my wall. L1. So what is the next one? That one says locus of a point. It will come from
Like A.
line what?
AB and like.
Not line AB, side what?
Side
AB. Look
A.
at the two screws by the side now.
Yeah.
So side AB and what?
Side
And
B.
side BC. Are we there?
Yes.
Now, what does it signify?
Angular bisection.
Angular bisection, right? So I have to bisect the angle formed by what? Side AB and what? Side BC. So the angle formed by side AB and what? Side what? BC. So I have to bisect this angle. So, but I don't have an arc here, right?
Yes.
I'll create an arc because there's no existing arc here, right?
Yes.
So I'll do what? I'll create an arc. So I'll create what? An arc. So I've created the arc. So I've gotten two standpoints. What is here and what is here, right? So two standpoints here and here. Are you following?
Yes.
So I have to bisect what? The angle now. So let me bisect the angle. So I'll make an arc here. Then come here and do what? I'll make an arc here. Are you following? Okay. All right. So I'm going to bisect. I'm going to bisect. So I'm going to bisect. Okay. So you see that?
Yes.
I've bisected. Okay. And the angle is bisected. So, and that should be my what? Okay? Now the last one say,
Find
Find the
find the what?
point of intersection.
Find the point of what? Intersection. Okay?
G1 and G2.
2 and G.
Of L1 and L2. I measure G1 and G2.
Okay. Alright, so. Okay. Alright. Are you following?
Yes.
Okay, so now look, find the point of intersection G1 and G2 of what? L1 and what? L2. That means I should look for where L1 and L2 intersected twice. So it will form G1 and what? G2. But here in the wash, notice that I have only one intersection here. You see it?
Yes.
Where L1 and what? L2 intersected. And I have according to what? G1. But G2 is missing. There's no place where two of them intersected. Now what do I need to do? Now this is where invisible locus comes in. Are you there?
Yes.
So, and I say, how do you get the invisible locus? By what? By setting the remaining what? Angle. Okay? So it's gotten from the remaining angle of the angular bisection. Okay? Now this angle was bisected. So where do you get the locus 2? Is here. Here. Do you see it now?
Yes.
The remaining what? Angle. But if you watch, there's no arc here. So what do I do?
Greater and half.
Create what? An arc. You see it now?
Yes.
Are you following?
Yes.
Okay, so I created what? An arc. So I have to bisect what? That angle, okay? This angle, the remaining angle of this one. That is one that will give you what? The invisible what? Locus. Are we there?
Yes.
So I'll place it here and do what?
Make an half.
And make an arc. And come here. Do what? Make an arc. Okay? So what do I do? I will draw this. I'll draw the line. Okay? Now, do you see that? Do you see that? But the local I want to intersect with is not here. It's not in front. It's behind, right? So what do I need to do? I will extend. Okay, I will extend the line so it will cut. Okay? I will extend the line. And we'll have a sharp cut. Okay? I'll extend to have a sharp cut. Okay, now you see the row of invisible locus.
Yes.
Okay, so, and I'll call it, since the remaining angle of locus 2 has been bisected, right? The remaining, since the locus 2, look at the locus 2 here, the angle here, right?
Yes.
And the remaining angle of that locus 2 has been what? Has been bisected, right? So I'll call it to what?
L2.
L2 again. Call it what?
L2.
L2 again. Okay? Because it was the locus 2 that produced another locus 2. You see?
Yes.
So here will now form my what?
G.
My G2. Are we there?
Yes.
So now let's measure G1, the line connecting what G1 and G2, which is I'm going to measure. I'm going to do what? I'm going to measure. Okay? And if I measure, I'm having a 10.5 cm. Okay? 10.15 cm. Now this is what they requested of you. Okay? Very simple. Are we there?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.